Today we are making creamy potato bake. I will write the recipe below the video in the description as always. Let's do this. Oh yeah, mate! Woo! Welcome to Aussie Girl Can Cook. Better get you some. Oh yeah! Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies, welcome back. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Alright, I am absolutely hanging for a potato bake and I love this one. First thing we need to do is preheat our ovens at 190 degrees Celsius. We need an 8 cup, which is equivalent to a 2 litre baking dish. The closest one I've got is a couple of cup bigger, but it's going to have to do. We're going to need 1.2 kilo of potatoes. We need to peel them and slice them thinly. We need 4 rashers of bacon. I've got a 250 gram packet there, which is only 3, but it's going to have to do. I need to chop them up nice and small and then fry them up until they're just crispy. We need 1 cup of grated tasty cheddar cheese. I'm using Bega today. We need 20 grams of butter and we need it chopped up into little cubes. And we need 300 ml of pouring cream, also known as cooking cream. I don't have any and I don't have the money to go down and get it, but I do have my thickened cream, so I'm going to use that. Most of the time you don't use that because it will usually split and it will stay runny, but as far as I'm concerned it still tastes just as good. So I'm going to use that. So if you've got the money, get the right cream and you'll have it nice and thick. First thing I'm going to do is chop the bacon up and fry it up, and then I'm going to peel and slice the potatoes. Alright, once we've done that, we are ready to go. Now, salt and pepper is optional. I like using a bit of pepper. I don't believe you need the salt because of the bacon, but like I said, that's optional. Also, what's optional is you can get your bacon once you've cooked it, and you can put it on paper towel to soak it, but I love my bacon fat, so I'm leaving it there for the taste. So the first thing we want to do is layer the bottom in potatoes. Then we want to sprinkle a little bit of cheese over. For me, a little bit of cracked pepper. Then we want to sprinkle some bacon over. Now, because I haven't got quite as much as I should, I'm just going to do it a lot thinner than I would normally. Now we go again with our next layer of spuds, and we do the same thing with our cheese and our bacon. Just making sure you leave enough cheese and bacon for the top layer. Now our third layer. Now our fourth layer. And now our last layer. Now we want to pour over 300 ml of our cooking cream. Now we want to get our 20 grams of butter cubes and we want to put them all over. You'll have to excuse the paint all over me. I'm actually painting the house at the moment, trying to get it back to the way it was. So for the next month or so, if you see paint all over me, you know why. Okay, now we want to cover it in alfoil. We now want to stick it in with the alfoil on for 40 minutes. Then after 40 minutes, we want to take the alfoil off and keep cooking it for approximately another 35 minutes until beautiful golden brown. So it was in there for 40 minutes with the alfoil on. I took the alfoil off and then I left it in there for another 40 minutes. Oh my God, mate. Mate, the only thing I can say about this is you have to give it a crack. Your whole family is going to love it. Even using thickened cream, it still come out yummy. Thank you all so very much for watching. Have yourselves a lovely week and I'll see you all on Thursday. Toodles.